Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to find your QR code on Revolut. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that for some reason you can't find your QR code and you want to go ahead and send it to someone so that they can scan it and pay you. How do you actually go ahead and find your QR code? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Revolut. Then in the upper left-hand corner, you want to click on your profile icon. Now from here, you want to go ahead and click on the QR icon, which is located right underneath your name. It's located right next to the @ sign with your name, but click on that QR icon and there you have it. So this right here is the QR code that you can actually go ahead and send to anyone or that they can scan so that they can pay you even if they're not on Revolut. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find your QR code on the Revolut. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.